Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to make some super easy zucchini bites. Now, I didn't have a lot of cheese left, so I'm going to make a couple of them just so you can see, get an idea. I'm using non-dairy cheese, plant-based cheese, and I'm using pizza sauce. So let's get into it. So first you're going to take your zucchini, I cut it up, and it's kind of, you see it's not real thick. And I'm going to get some sauce and just put a little bit on there. Very simple. This could be like a little snack or something like that. Then I'm going to add a little cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using some dairy-free cheese. And that's literally it. And I'm going to pop these in the air fryer. So I'm going to show you how easy it is and how tasty they are. So after a few minutes in the air fryer, it is ready. It's hot. Let's see how it tastes. Zucchini, cheese, pizza sauce, and you can actually top it with some other things you want to. Quick, healthy snack idea, especially if you have zucchini and don't know what to do with it. Try it. All right, see y'all later.